Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer here at On and On in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know On and On. Today we're going to talk about MagConnect and the endless use cases and industrial applications that are ideal for the most intuitive connector in the world. With MagConnect being the most intuitive connector in the world, the applications are literally endless. Just a few potential applications might be UTVs, drones, e-bikes, scooters, e-motorcycles, golf carts, any electric vehicle, e-lawnmowers, you name it. MagConnect is the ideal solution, being the most intuitive connector in the world, especially with its magnetic safety latch decoupling. We currently have MagConnect designed from 3 amps all the way up to 30 amps, but we also have in development and coming out soon our 50 amp to 500 amp MagConnect. So what makes MagConnect the most intuitive and safest connector in the world? For starters, it's the unique shape. Our shape is intuitive, allowing for easy alignment of the mating side. And the connector, once it's plugged in, there's no second guessing whether you have it plugged in correctly. Another big advantage is the decoupling. There is no locking mechanism to get damaged either to the capital side or the connector. And so far, preliminary test results on shock and vibration is far superior to a traditional latching connector. The most intuitive connector in the world, ideal for industrial applications. So whether you need MagConnect with fiber optics, you need just power, you need power and data, On and On has the solution, the magnetic safety latch connector that will fit your industrial application. Please visit onandon.com to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to design in MagConnect into your next application. Thank you for allowing me to share another Did You Know On and On.